Because it's fun. I feel like I have a good time.
When I see the kids enjoying the games, it was 100% worth it. Everything we do is child-based, so if they open up and they say they're not enjoying that game, we'll change it. They're the reason we're doing this. We make sure that everything we do suits the children that we have.
The thing's important is that the way that we present all of the games and make sure that they're entertaining the kids.
This is much more play-based. The emphasis is on them having fun and lots of words of encouragement.
1 pwynt sy'n cael y mewn y cwrs.
Pryd ni'n siarad Cymraeg, fel y cymdeithas ni'n byw ynddo, Cymraeg yw fel y iaith gyntaf llawer o pobl. Felly, os mae'n helpu i siarad Cymraeg, achos mae'n gwneud pawb i teimlo bod nhw'n rhan o fe. Some children, first session here came, they didn't want to leave their parents, they were really nervous. And then now they're playing before we even set up the sessions yet. Kicking the ball around, just having fun. So confidence, I've seen like a big increase in everyone's confidence.
Hadley, explain to me how do you play it?
If you get tagged by the shark, you're on with the shark.
Exactly.
Well, he's a very shy young boy. If I go back, sometime, then it would have been quite difficult to get him to come out here. But this kind of activity, I think, really helps him. It takes his mind off his shyness, if you like.
It makes me feel happy.
So we want to make sure it's somewhere that everyone can come from, like all abilities. You want to give everyone an equal chance.
It's just so important, you know. Some people maybe don't have the best time at school, but when they come here, they feel included and they're doing something that they enjoy and then everyone enjoys it.
When I take my kids home, they're full of life and happy and, yeah, totally part of something cute. Genuinely looking forward to coming back next week.
Sarn Helen provides a great example of the Foundation's framework in action. The activity and the what that is being delivered is only part of it. The way in which it is delivered in the right environment by the right people with the right attitude will make such a huge difference to a child's experience. We know that if children enjoy their activity and that they're in an environment that feels safe and inclusive, they will keep coming back, they'll keep wanting to take part, and more importantly, they'll start that love affair with physical activity. I'd love to see more athletics clubs across Wales engaging with us to deliver athletics, to embed the Foundation Framework Wales across their opportunities to increase more opportunities for young people to take part.